8:17 in the morning, Saturday. I think it's the 10th of August. We're going to Malmsbury on the Pan Americas. So Jace is on the, what is it, a 2023?
Yep.
The yellow Pan America. I don't know what, do you know what the colour is called?
Yeah, they did say, no, you got me now. I can't remember.
Don't know. I'm trying to stay out
I'll
of the sun.
I'll think of it. So.
Yeah, righto. Anyway, it's yellow and white. It's got bags on it. And I'm on the 2022 black Pan America. And I've just got this little Harley bag for my bits and pieces. And we're going to give them our first go. Well, there's maiden voyages for both of them, really, other than picking them up from the dealership. Hey Jace.
Hey there, Philby.
What's going on?
Oh, just bloody met you here at the servo.
Yeah.
Going to do a bit of a ride.
We're going to take the Pan Ams for a blat.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So where are we going? I think we're going down to Bendigo to have a coffee.
Yeah.
And then
flick out the back, do a bit of dirt tracking.
See if we can find some bridges to look at, because that's just what you do.
Yeah.
See if we can bump into some
We're
other
bridge enthusiasts.
Yeah, exactly right. So we'll just go and see what we can find along the way. I reckon it'll be fun.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
cool.
let's do it.
Let's make it happen.
What about that angle? And then you can see a bit of the screen and stuff and speed I'm doing and shit.
Still playing with that camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay. I've made it to Axdale. It's pretty cold.
Very
Cold?
Yeah, it was a little cold.
I think it's like 7 degrees is what it got down to. Jace is preoccupied because he's trying to get his camera working.
Trying to get in a position where it's not affected by anything, but I don't know. There's not many mounting points that doesn't have anything in the way, you know?
Yeah. Anyway, bikes are going good. Definitely quick, responsive. The road between Axdale and the Elmore turn off there, it's a crap motorcycle road. And these things are soaking the bumps up there wonderfully. They are just, yeah.
Handled it well.
Did a really good job. Anyway, we'll keep on moving. Well, that was fun. Bit of dirt.
Yeah, that was cool. I liked it. Your first taste.
First bit of dirt
Yeah.
in, what was that, Lake Epilogue?
Yeah, just along the edge of the lake.
Yeah. And then we sort of
and
come out at a spot where we probably wouldn't normally need to be.
no,
Anyway, we found a fence and a gate. So we had to go back the same way, which we didn't film. And we've now ended up in Malmsbury at the bakery.
Oh,
So
funnily enough, eh?
we're going to have a coffee and we'll, yeah, bikes are going great. Awesome. Coffee time.
Yeah.
I've heard this motorcycle, just had a Harley pull up. We know what it sounds like. Everybody knows that Harley sound.
Hey, I don't want to take a photo.
Hello.
What a surprise to see you here.
G'day.
There you go, mate.
What's going on? We're going.
Good to see you.
We're going. We've heard this Harley and we recognise the note. So we've bumped into the Zap man. Zap, how are you?
Good, mate.
How's the ride?
Good.
Yeah. Fancy meet.
See you guys here.
No, well, we just decided to come here out of the blue.
Yeah, I saw your bikes here and I thought, I wonder if it says Malmsbury guys over there. Sure enough.
That's us. And John, g'day John.
Hey guys.
How are you?
Good.
John's riding the Yami here.
Nice to be right.
Looking nice too. Cold.
There you go, alright. Look at that big.
Check out this thing. This guy's got this truck. He's pulling a caravan behind it. That's like one hell of a setup, that. Anyway, so now we've bumped into a flog. There's 3 flogs here and a blow-in flog. So we're just going to go have a coffee. Sounds like a good idea. Check out this dog. This dog's cool as. That's cool. I don't know how he can drive such a big rig, but anyway. So Zap has made a decision, along with John. Where are we going?
We're going to Dalesford.
Dalesford.
Then to Trentham.
Okay.
And we're going to stop at the Pig and Whistle.
Pig and Whistle. I know, that sounds interesting.
Sounds interesting.
The pig that can whistle. Rightio, let's go.
See you, dog.
pig and whistle in Trentham, and the kitchen's on fire. If you have a look behind me, through those black doors there, our helmets are hanging up on the wall, and the kitchen's on fire. I'm not sure if they can put it out. Say, Jace, it's noisy.
What?
Yeah. Zap?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Just watching a fire in the kitchen, mate. It's pretty entertaining.
It was pretty entertaining, wasn't it? Yeah.
Dinner and a show.
Yeah, we got dinner and a show. Everybody's entertained. There's no doubt about it.
The person down here who's just pulled around the bus is sitting behind the bus tooting because the bus driver has nowhere else to pull up. He's brought people to this pub. There's cars everywhere, and so he's pulled a spot over there, and she come up behind him, no one around, and wouldn't go around him, just sat behind him tooting. Now she's going off. And now she's giving him a roast.
Of course, we're giving him a roast. Here we go. It's all happening. I don't give a shit about the bus. Don't you love a good fucking Karen? Having a fucking whinge. There's nowhere to park. Poor old Mr. Bus Driver. See you, John.
See you later, mate.
Thanks for bumping into us.
No worries at all, mate.
Jace, where you going? We're heading back up to
home, mate.
God's country.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for bumping into us, Zap.
No worries, mate.
That was a bit of a fun thing with the Karen episode, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, poor bus driver. We feel for him. There's a bigger story to that, but we can't tell it. You'll have to talk to us in person. Ride safe, boys.
Yep. You too, mate.
Until the next adventure.
Jam donuts.
Jam donuts.
Don't tell my wife.
There's a whole van full of them there.
Yeah, alright.
So the bikes went well.
Bike's going great.
We're now in Bendigo. At what time is it?
Oh, it's like nearly 5 o'clock.
Nearly 5 o'clock, and we're in Bendigo. So we're heading on the last jaunt. So we're going to get into the donuts, and we're going to sign out from here. Yeah.
Yes.
They look nice and they're hot, and we have water to wash them down with. So we're going to get into these. Well, it's been an interesting day.
Yeah, it's been good.
I've got the camera on a weird angle because the sun's going to shine in and look like crazy.
Yeah. Oh, I've got a couple of those, so there's need plucking there.
Yeah, right. Hey, it's been an eventful day. We caught up with a Zap by accident.
Yeah, that was good.
Went for a bit of a ride, had some lunch with the boys. We met a Karen who doesn't like buses. That was interesting.
That was, yeah.
The pans have been good. Pretty happy with them.
Yep, very.
And
It's good.
so from the two sons of Lethargy boys, it's a good night for me.
Yep. Yeah, it's a
night
night
for
for
him.
me.
Until the next one.
I think we'll have some fun.
Yeah, cool.
Tomorrow that dirt track riding, I reckon.
I think so. It'll be good.
Yeah.
All right. Hooroo.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.